HOATZIN bird. It is a unique bird in the world. What is special about HOATZIN bird? The nickname of this bird is the stink bird or the stunk bird. The HOATZIN bird is also unique in being the only avian species with a digestive system that ferments vegetation in the stomach, same as a cow, enabling it to eat leaves and birds exclusively. It is famous for digestive method, claws and wings. The HOATZIN bird, it fills its crops with leaves and fruits where it starts fermenting. The HOATZIN is the last member of a species which evolved 64 million years ago.